No copyright infringement is intended.
If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted and go drink beer with the guys and chase after girls. I kick it with who I wanted, and I never get confronted for it, 'cause they stick up for me.
On this night's episode of Hell's Kitchen, we meet the show's new characters, Caesar, Cassius, Anthony, Brutus, Romeo and Juliet. Which one of them has what it takes to win the show and its ultimate prize, $250,000, and becoming the head chef at Chef Ramsay's new restaurant, Rome Sparta? Watch and find out the answer.
I'm bringing sexy back.
Welcome to Hell's Kitchen. This will be the worst kitchen experience you'll ever had. Dealing with ex-girlfriends will be nothing compared to dealing with me. Because I got problems, girl. Now back to business. Your first challenge as my servants will be to create a signature dish. It should represent you as a person, however stupid you are. I will be tasting dishes in 30 seconds. Now get the work!
Now let's see who our contestants are.
All others here are naught but unskilled fools. Cassius will easily put down these drab fiends. Take Caesar. He is as weak as the rest. He once asked Cassius for paprika, as if I were a slave to do his will. Well, I shout to all, Caesar shall not have paprika from strong and noble Cassius.
Our love is what will.
Help us win this thing.
Obviously we.
Are also the best.
Our cooking skills are.
Better than the rest.
This cooking show will put.
Us to the test.
Of course we will be.
The next great top chefs.
Welcome, my friends. I introduce myself as thy name Brutus from Great Rome. I believe that I can win this battle through honesty and my loyalty. For the people of Rome I represent, conquering my foes is not my big goal. I fight for the great Roman Empire.
There are many chefs, and all of them doth cook. There is but one who can be a great chef. There shall be no one blocking Caesar's path.
Introduce myself? But everyone knows me. I'm Mark Antony, you idiot. I could care less if this was for TV. Everybody knows me. End of discussion.
The contestants have very little time to create their dish. Let's take a look in the kitchen.
I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes. 4 minutes, eh? I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes. 4 minutes, eh? I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes. 4 minutes, eh? I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes. 4 minutes, eh? I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes. 4 minutes, eh? I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes. 4 minutes, eh? I'm out of time and all I got is 4 minutes. 4 minutes, eh? I'm out
Romeo and Juliet. I must go look for them. Caesar, you're in charge.
You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. You want my love, you want my heart, and we will never ever.
Get your back in the kitchen, you mother red hamster mother. Your mother was a hamster and your father was of elderberries hamster.
Chef Ramsay will now taste each of their dishes to see if they meet his standards. He will then choose a winner of this challenge, who will receive a one-night stay at Motel 6 near Abilene, Texas. Continental breakfast is not included.
Look at these dishes.
Now let's see what Romeo and Juliet have to say about their signature dish.
Spaghetti and meat.
Balls is what we cook.
Not only is it,
Our favorite dish.
but it's the meal.
We best make together.
The spaghetti, best.
In all Italy.
The meatballs, tender.
Like Romeo.
What does Brutus have to say about his dish?
Tonight I shall be serving the great dish known as my personal favorite to all, the wonderful Brute Greek. This humble dish mirrors myself, in fact, representing great citizens of Rome. This loyal dish will not let them down ever. My secret ingredients for today include the spicy red crushed pepper and the eggplant garlic spread for flavor. With my secret plan ready for use now, victory for today is guaranteed.
Let's see what Antony has cooked for Chef Ramsay.
Well, of course I know what I'm gonna cook. It holds extreme sentimental value. Something my own mom used to cook for me. A double glazed pan-seared chicken tartare with a small side of fresh greens and tomatoes. It's an extremely difficult dish to make. I mean, it takes precision and strict discipline. Something only someone like me can make.
So much. It tastes like an ass.
Let's see what Cassius has cooked for Chef Ramsay.
Today, I will create a masterpiece. None prevail against the might of my dish, the Cassius casserole. With bold and strong flavor, quickly crushes all the others. Like me, the Cassius casserole is full of sly, unyielding, and ambitious foods, such as Tabasco sauce, crushed glass. Delicious.
Spicy. Oh!
Let's see what the great Caesar has cooked for Chef Ramsay.
This is the most tasty Caesar salad, made from ingredients most delightful. Tomatoes, tomatoes, and more tomatoes, and no other crappy ingredient. My dish shall be far better than the rest. Caesar salad is of course the best one. I am the best, so I shall be leader. Great Caesar shall be leader by design, for the gods themselves wish it to be so. Caesar shall not have his food burned. Cassius is a great threat to my power. He shall be banished for his conspiracy.
Oh my god. It's so beautiful. This is the best dish I have ever seen in my life. You all may go. We can see who will the winner be. Are you guys like Caesar as a leader?
Oh, no.
No. 9.
Nope.
No.
This will be your first dinner service today. It will be the first one that goes smoothly and goes off without a hitch, due to the presence of your esteemed colleague, Caesar. He will pull you through this. He is the only one with any cooking experience. And, again, you all... Thank you.
Back in the kitchen, Anthony is having some conflict with Chef Ramsay.
I need a steak, quickly, please.
Your steak is coming right up, Chef Ramsay. Ask me for a bloody steak.
What is this? It's raw! Raw, I tell you! Raw!
Brutus, speak with me for one short moment.
Cassius has asked Brutus to discuss an issue.
What would Cassius speak of?
Caesar is whom I would speak of, Brutus. Caesar and his dark tomato that so beat us.
But what would you suggest we do?
Why, kill him, surely.
Kill him? I'm not sure.
Do you not see how Ramsay praises him? If he names Caesar winner, Caesar will take this whole restaurant as his, feeding all of Rome with poisoned tomatoes. The brute Greek would be a better choice, yes?
We shall see in time, my friend Cassius. I am not so sure of thyself for now. Give me some more time to think about it.
Brutus is unsure of whether to go along with Cassius's plan. We will see what he decides to do.
Oh, Caesar has done great harm to thyself in finding enemies at the worst time. As a close friend, I can only hope that I myself do ever hate thee. I will go kill the fool Caesar.
I regret to inform you all, Caesar is dead. Brutus, you have been named as the new leader. Even though cooking sucks.
I, Brutus, accept this role, for it is thrown upon myself. But I am willing to help great Rome in her attempts to live on forever.
Midfielders were bored, and they get a penalty anyway, which saves the embarrassment.
Alright, what are you watching in my kitchen? Hey, no, we will not watch rugby in my kitchen. What's a real sport? Some American football. What the is this shit? Oh, the Saints? Oh, I said football, not kindergartners running around on the field.
While Chef Ramsay is dealing with Brutus, Romeo must go get ingredients for his assigned dishes.
We must go get some things from that small room. We need ingredients to cook our food.
Ingredients? Let's look for some ingredients. I'll be down there, you'll be...
Okay, I'll look up here.
Okay. Well, let's see. Some honey and stuff. Oh, look at all of this. This is cool. Let me get... Oh my god! Oh god, it's everywhere. It's all over my clothes. Oh my gosh, here, I'll clean you up. I'll clean you up. Don't worry, I'll clean you up. You're gonna notice. Oh my god, it's still everywhere. It's all over my clothes. That's okay, no one's gonna notice. I'll clean you up. Are you kidding? Everyone's gonna notice. No, it's okay.
Alright, what the are you doing in there?
You having a scene without me? Just ingredients.
Nothing to see here. Alright.
Sorry.
With Caesar gone, the power position is now being competed for. Brutus and Antony must sway their fellow competitors' opinions.
Romeo and Juliet, listen closely. Support myself in thy great battle, for I need your help and support now.
Psst. Psst. Hey you two, lend me your ears. Now I know that Brutus is a good chef, but he is nothing compared to me, you hear? Now I know that Brutus is ambitious, but do you know how he really cooks his dang food? he uses tiny and poor children. After everyone has left the kitchen, he takes the kids from out of the cabinets. Yeah, Brutus doesn't know how to cook. He makes the children do it for himself. Do you hear what I'm saying? Children! How much more vile could a person be? You two should just let me be leader, because I'm much more better than Brutus.
I shall taste some fancy.
Seasoning now. Why must thou die today when I need thee? I must go join my love in heaven now.
Another one bites the dust.
Cast members, several of your colleagues have died over the course of our seemingly perfect dinner service. This is This is not regrettable at all. They were stupid. I hated them. I'm glad they died. Okay. Now, after finding out several things, we name Mark Antony the winner of this competition.
Well, I mean, of course you do. Look at me.
I would suggest that the other two kill themselves. Good day.
Another one bites the dust.
There's one.
Another one bites the dust.
Anthony has won. He celebrates alone.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheat, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get intended.
Thanks for watching tonight's episode of Hell's Kitchen. Remember to join us again in Season 2, starting next week. Thanks for watching. Chandragupta Studios, signing off. Oh, and don't worry, we're not done just yet.
Hello there.
There are many chefs, and all of them doth cook. There is one that doth hold its place. Ah,
Alright. Now put your arm around me. This is my phone.
I hope that's your phone.
So, wait, what'd you see in Florida?
Wait.
The sea? The sea.
Oh, you're gonna use that one? Oh, we can hold up this one. Hold up this one.
Is there even a sea in Florida?
Stop it. Commence.
What are you doing? Are you having a scene without me? Hey.
Hello.
All right. Nothing to see here. Or is there?
Okay. Am I allowed to say go yet? I don't know. Well, I mean, like, okay. I don't know. Alright, everyone quiet, please. Go. Caesar is whom I was speaking to.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.